Welcome to Glam and Shine with Rashmi Bedi. My guest today is super gorgeous and very talented Bollywood actress and writer Sukhmani Sadana.
Expression is the most powerful tool of an artist. It is said that the power of one's expression is similar to the vividness of the sea, and travel is what helps us bring it alive. Because it's not just about the place, but about those wonderful people, the culture, and the memories that reside forever. I'm Sukhmani Sadana, a seeker of such fond memories and an actor otherwise. For quite some time now, South Korea has enamored me through everything I've had my eyes on. And on learning that Korea Tourism Organization was bringing their land in our neighborhood, I told myself that I have to be a part of this. It's a calling. So here I am in Mumbai, where my day starts with an action and ends with a pack-up. But all of that is on hold today.
Hi Sukhmani, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. You look pretty relaxed. I can see more of the glow on your face. I know the time is stressful, but of course you can spend time with your family. And thank you for being part of the show.
My pleasure, Rashmi. I want to say hi to you. And yeah, you're glowing a lot more than I'm glowing for sure. Um, yeah, I guess. Well, first of all, I want to thank you for having me on your show. It's very sweet of you guys to have me. And I've been seeing your work, and you all are doing incredible work and amazing work.
Thank you
So,
so much.
congratulations and all the best for your future endeavors. Well, yeah, of course, I have a lot of time. So, the glow is happening because of that. I guess the entire world is has enough time to relax and get their
Of
skin
course.
and their hair and their glow back. So, yeah, I'm just one of them, I guess.
Yeah, I love the positivity, and that's what your name is all about, Sukhmani. It's lovely name. It's very catchy and very nice, and it really suits you, I should say. Very nice name.
Thank
So,
you.
what is the
Thank you.
exact
I know.
meaning of Sukhmani? I would like you to tell to our viewers actually.
Rashmi, it's so funny, till I was like, what, 16, 17 years, I was so conscious of my name because,
Truly.
yeah, I wasn't sure because I thought it was a little uncool and, I didn't know enough. And I used to be so conscious. But when I grew up, I realized the meaning of it. And my grandfather had named me that, and I'm a Sadarni, right? So when I grew up, my grandfather explained to me that Sukhmani in Punjabi, A, of course, is the holy book of
Okay.
Sikhs.
Yeah, of course.
And secondly was the amazing thing was that gem means money and Sukh means happiness. So Sukhmani means it's the gem of happiness. Anyone who
Wow.
attains me, poor
Huh.
guy, would kind of attain the gem of happiness, and that's what the whole logic is with the name. And when I understood what it meant, I fell in love with it, and I was like, wow, I do really, really have a unique name, and it's so beautiful. And now somebody asked me in an interview last week if I would ever want to change my name to something else, and I was like, no,
I know,
Sukhmani
of
is it
course.
for me.
You're very precious and you're precious for us also. Of course, yes. And it's lovely to have you today with us. And we really want you to share your journey because you're very talented. That's what I love about you. You are an actor and writer. You know, that combo is very rare to find. And it's great.
Yeah,
And you have a lot of things which I really like the way you are, like you love traveling. That's what I know. Like you have done so many shows. So please tell me like how your journey started. You have been doing so much. You're writing,
yeah.
you're acting, you're doing so many shows. How you're managing and how your journey started.
So I feel like acting and anchoring, I almost take it as the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
I think I have two professions. One is me being a writer, and one is me being an actor.
Yeah.
What happens is being an actor sometimes it overlaps with being an anchor.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you're on screen and you're acting in web shows, which you guys are called TV
Of
series or
course.
TV shows,
Of course.
or in films, you get picked for anchoring also. So
Yes.
it's just kind of like being on screen is one thing and being off screen is one thing. So I would take
Perfect.
that as two professions.
Perfect.
One is behind the lens and one is in front of the lens. So when it comes to writing, uh, it's an extremely tedious and exhausting profession, but I find it so satisfying and so soul filling. And when it comes to acting, it's something that I feel like it's a platform for me to showcase my talent and bring out different personalities which I might have inside me in forms of different characters. So sometimes I wonder what it would be like if I would be like a beggar. Once I wonder what would I be like if I was this super glamorous chick. So when you get to play these roles, it's literally like the urges inside you, get life, and it gets like, skin and blood. So how traveling? Yes, I think I've hosted more than 500 episodes till now.
Yeah.
I've traveled the world for my travel shows, and I considered myself extremely lucky. There was a time in my life when I literally was not making any money, and I was struggling in my career, and then suddenly I got this job to travel across the world and get paid for it on top of that. So I was like, wow,
Yeah, that's so
this
cool.
is this is really cool. Like, I
Yep.
want to travel the world. I don't have the money to travel, but people are making me travel the world now, and I'm coming back home with a check. Then I was like, literally, like, why are they paying me? I should be paying them. But but
Lovely.
then I started doing really a good job at it,
Yeah.
and I think I'm naturally, as a person, very curious. My nature, I love to get to know people. I love talking to people. I love getting to know people. I love to travel and understand the culture, the history of that place, and what do they wear, what do they eat, and how do they live. It's something that I really really want to know. So
Of
I
course.
realized with time that I started doing really well as a job. The job of a travel host,
Mm-hmm.
and one thing just led to another, and I was working with a channel called Travel XP. And then in India, the best channels, they picked me up, and I did like hosted 100 episodes with CNN IBN in
Yep.
India, which is a big, big channel here. They were not travel shows, but they were like more educational shows.
Yep.
Then I did glamour shows with NDTV and one show with Fox. And now this thing that you're playing here, that's History Channel. I work with Discovery Sports. So when I realized that these were my favorite channels and I was hosting one show at least on all these channels, I felt like I might have achieved something in my life.
So cool. No, you
That's when
learn
I was
so
like,
much. The traveling and these experience really adds on. And as you are a
it
writer, I
does.
think so you must be getting so much of material to write on that. It's great actually.
Yes, it
तो आपके
does.
लिए आपके प्रोफेशन के लेके साथ it's all interconnected. It's great. So you have done Love
Yeah,
Bites. That's a web series, and you grabbed the award for Best Actress for that one, right?
yeah, yes, I
2017.
did.
So that
Yes,
was
I
so
did.
cool. How you felt at that moment, and how did you plan to pick that role for Love Bites? Like I should go for
It
that.
was it was actually India's first web series. It was the
Mm-hmm.
first time ever that India was trying something new, which is like a show, but
Okay.
that doesn't come on TV. It's going to come on a digital platform.
Mm-hmm.
So when I got a call for it, I was like, but कौन से channel पे आएगा? They're like, कोई
Yeah.
channel पे नहीं आएगा, internet पे आएगा. So I was like, internet पे कैसे आ सकता है?
Yes.
So then they were like, YouTube पे आएगा, and Sony starting an app called Sony Live. So I was really confused,
Yeah.
because that time Netflix and all,
Yeah.
we didn't have
That much
that.
of awareness was not there. So true.
Yeah, so I was like, okay, let's give it a shot. And the actor who was playing the role with me was a fairly famous, very, very famous Indian actor, Kushal Punjabi.
Yes.
So I was like, अगर वो कर रहा है तो कुछ अच्छा
Of
ही कर रहा
course.
होगा.
So
So
true.
I signed up for it, and it was an amazing show. It was just about a boy and a girl and one flat. The whole show was shot inside that. It's about a live-in relationship between
Lovely.
a boy and a girl,
Yes.
and people loved it because there was literally no script, and we were just being ourselves about how it would be for a boy and a girl to live together in a live-in
Got
relationship. And in India, that time, it was a new concept. Even live-in relationships were very new
Yes.
then.
Yes. Absolutely.
So the show did really well, and I grabbed the best actress award for that. So I was very thrilled about that also. That's what I'm saying. Only when these moments happen in your life, you realize that अच्छा कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हो आप, that people are liking. Otherwise, I kind of lose perspective.
Of course. And what about this?
So
Recently, you did that Sacred Games. That was amazing. Like,
yeah, so
and that
Sacred
role you
Games,
played was really like wow. It was a tough task, I will say.
it was a tough one. And it's funny because
See, the
Sacred
look you
Games
have is like a rich girl, I should say.
really, I don't know how you're
A
feeling that
classy
or
one to
saying
look
that.
that look was entirely different. But
Yeah,
it was
no,
a
I
challenge,
do.
like you did so well.
Yeah, it was because of my nature and my style and the perception that people have is a bit more, it's like casual chic or glamorous. Not glamorous, but because of my travel shows and all, it's kind of done up, if I would say that. So I was very surprised when I got Sacred Games ka role, and I was like, literally, I was like, they think that I can pass off as a slum girl. Wow. So But my casting director, who's amazing, his name is Mukesh Chabra. He's one of the biggest casting directors in India. He said, Sukmini, if you are such a glamorous girl and you could act so well in an audition, you could pull off being a slum girl. It just shows that you're a versatile actor. And I want you to do this. And I want to the world to see that you're, capable of bringing another side to yourself. So
Yes.
Sacred Games was very challenging.
Yeah.
I had to literally, they said you can't wax for like 2 months. They said threading wedding mat karao. Just if you're getting a tan, let the tan be there. So I literally had to bring my looks to as
Wow.
basic as possible. And then the show did really well. Sacred
Of
Games was
course.
India's first biggest original series, Netflix first original series, and Sacred Games did really well. And even if I had a small role in it, it got me a lot of popularity. And
Amazing.
literally everybody I know called me up and said, Sukhu, did we just see you in Sacred Games? And I was like,
Oh.
yeah. And they were like, how did you do that? Like, you're so
Of,
different in real
you
life.
know, of course. But
But
I would like to ask you, like, we are from Amritsar, right?
yes,
So,
I'm from Amritsar.
of course, girls from Amritsar are very beautiful and gorgeous. Everybody knows that in the whole world. And how your journey was coming up to this, where you are in Mumbai. So, was it difficult for you, or it had been easier? Like your background is like a non-industry background, right?
No,
So,
my industry is absolutely my family is absolutely non-industry.
yes.
I don't have anyone in Bombay who's from Bollywood. And I actually I never went to Bombay thinking that I'm going to become an actress or a writer. I was just going to Bombay to study.
Oh, really?
I was in a boarding school in India, and I was literally just going to Bombay. It was a new city for me. I was like, I don't have any relatives there. I don't know anything about Bombay. Chalo,
Of
it
course.
was a 9 months course. I was like, I'll go for 9 months. I'll learn something. I signed up for this course. पहले तो I didn't think I would get admission. Then I got the admission also. I was like, अच्छा, अब admission मिल गया, अब क्या करें? Then
That's
it
so
was
good.
basically an advertising and marketing
Okay.
course
Hmm.
from Xavier's
Yeah.
Institute of Communication. It was a very, very reputed institute. So, but Bombay is like that. It's so funny. That city, it just gives you opportunities like you can't imagine. And before you know it, you'll just get pulled into it, and there's no getting out of it. So
Fantastic.
I had no plans, like I said, and my 9 months got over, and then I thought, chalo, now let's go back to Amritsar or Delhi or North India, wherever. But I got a job then again as a copywriter in Ogilvy and Mather, which is like, I don't know about in the US or Canada, but in India, it's in Asia, it's the biggest advertising agency,
Of course.
O&M, Ogilvy and Mather.
Hmm.
And then I got a job there. And then I used to keep, it's so funny. I used to write scripts there as a writer. So,
Wow.
like, for example, I was writing a script for an ad, which is like a shampoo ad.
Okay.
Then suddenly my team used to say कि यार इसको ही डाल दो.
Oh,
you know
wow.
इसको ही डाल दो, इसके बाल ठीक है, इसको ही ad में डाल दो. So then I was like, oh, why not?
I know.
So then I did that. Then उसके बाद I wrote an ad for a cream, like Pond's cream.
Yeah.
And then they said the same thing, इसको ही डाल दो. And
Oh,
I was like,
nice.
okay.
Okay.
So I became a घर की मुर्गी, they say ना, free वाली घर की मुर्गी.
Actually, you
But
make
then,
their work easier. Of course, yes.
yeah, but then something amazing happened. And then I think one of my ads, Aditya Chopra, who's like the boss of Yash Raj Films,
Yes. Mhm.
he saw some ad or something I must have done, and he said, I want this girl for my
Yeah.
TV show.
Yeah.
And he launched me in my first TV show, which is called Khote Sikke, which is even
Wow.
now on Netflix. Um, and that show was the first time I actually acted.
Okay.
And that was pretty cool.
But
I
did
was
you
like
got any
seeing,
training before for acting, or you just jumped
no,
into it like, okay,
nothing at all, nothing at all. I just acted in
wow.
that. And first few episodes, I was really bad also. But then I saw my colleagues around me, my co-actors, my director was amazing. And it's Yash Raj Films. Like, they
Of
literally
course,
like
of
can
course,
guide you so well through
of
it.
course.
So they told me what I was going wrong, what I was going right, and then my acting got better. Then the more acting is like that. The more work you do, you keep getting better at it.
Of course.
Like how
And
I
what
used to
about
act.
your writing thing? Like, I would like to put some limelight on that too.
So writing, because I was always writing for Gilvy and Mehta, and I was a copywriter for them, and I was writing scripts for ads basically.
Okay.
Then I got an opportunity by Vikram Bhatt, who's a
Hmm.
very, very famous director in India. He gave me an opportunity to write a script for him, which is for a film. So pehle I was writing scripts for ads,
Okay.
and then Vikram Bhatt gave me an opportunity to write a Bollywood film script for him for the first time. So I was like, again, so my training was in writing copyrights for ads, which is like 30 seconds में ad खत्म हो जाता है.
Yeah.
Or a jingle, which is like a 10 seconds jingle, or sometimes writing a copy which is only text,
Yeah.
posters.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
so I was like, sir, I don't know how I'm going to write an entire screenplay. Writing a script for a 2-hour movie is a very different format
Of course.
altogether.
Of course.
So then I read a lot of books. I didn't do a course, but I did some online courses, and I read a lot of books, and I watched a lot of films. And then I understood कि picture लिखने का एक format क्या होता है, कि 3
Okay.
parts में लिखी जाती है,
Mm-hmm.
Act 1, Act 2, Act 3.
Okay.
And India में interval point भी डलता है, so it's different from
Of
Hollywood films,
of
because
course.
आप लोग के films में there's no interval
Yeah.
point,
No
right?
intervals.
So we have to break our scripts in a different way.
Yes.
So we have to have a twist in the 20th minute, and have another twist in the interval, and then have another twist in the 40th
Yes.
minute, and
Yes.
another twist. But there again, there's no rule, so you can change it also. So I did that. I studied that. Then I finally wrote a film called 1920 for Vikram Bhatt, which
Wow.
was a horror film.
Okay.
But it did really well again. It did really well. So then people started calling me to write horror scripts for them. Like I became like this horror script writer, and I was like, no, no, I'm not. I said I'm not a horror script writer at all, bhai. I want to write romantic films. I want to write comedy films. Uh, so then then a lot of other people, how again, like I said, work gets you work. Then Kunal Kohli gave me an opportunity. Then Balaji gave me an opportunity. Then I wrote a film for Dharma, but that didn't get released for Karan Johar. We didn't shoot that though. Then I wrote I can't remember. Like right now, currently, I just finished writing a film for Netflix with a very, very big director, producer, Ali Abbas, who made Sultan and Bharat and all. So I just finished writing a film for him. And so yeah, अब तो पता ही नहीं है. अब तो I don't know what I'm writing, what I'm not writing. I don't know.
Awesome. So, what are
But
your upcoming
yeah.
projects? आपका भी you have signed movie with SAF, right?
No, with Saif, I have acted in a show which is going to be released on Amazon.
Okay.
It's going to come out soon, sometime soon. We've already shot that.
Okay.
That has been again directed by Ali Abbas Zafar, the guy who made Bharat and Sultan, like I said.
Very
So
nice.
that show has Saif Ali Khan in it and Dimple Kabadia. It's already in the news.
Very
You can
nice.
read up. So I'm acting in that. That's called Tandav.
Okay.
Tandav, they're not sure if they're going to call it Tandav
I
or
love
Delhi.
the name. That's very
Delhi.
catchy and nice.
Yeah,
Tandav.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
awesome.
It'll either be called Tandav or it'll be called Delhi, or they might even change. There's some confusion there. But we've shot the show. That's going to come on Amazon. It's a big show. It's going to be a very, very big show. That's what's going on in acting. I've also finished acting in another show called Udan Patolas, which
Wow.
has been that I don't know when that's going to release, but it's about 4 girls from small town who go to Bombay, and it's a comedy. It's very funny. How
Wow,
about
you're
these
looking
4 girls who are
forward.
full?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be really
So
cute. They're
cool.
full bhenjis, these girls, but they pretend that they're very South Bombay. So it's a full comedy show.
Wow.
I wrote that show and I acted in it. That's the only
Great.
project in my entire life that I've written and acted in. So I'm really, really looking forward for that show to release.
Wow, Sukhmani, it was great. इतना कुछ है बात करने के लिए, but because of the shortage of
और
time, we
मैं
have to finish the show.
बोलते
But
रहूंगी.
we look forward, आप आते रहना show पे. It was great talking to you, and
Same
thank
here,
you. I'm looking
Rashmi.
forward for your upcoming projects, dear. Thank you.
Thank you so
Bye.
much, Rachel.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.